Okay, good morning to everybody. Am I audible? Am I audible to all? Okay, so we shall wait for 1 and 2 minutes to join others. After that, we will start our class. We are just waiting for 1 and 2 minutes. After that, we will start our class. So, shall I start our class?
हेलो
Yes.
सर। हम लोग का नोट्स नहीं मिल रहा सर।
अरे LMS तो ख़त्म हो गया। पहले LMS को ठीक होने दो, इसके बाद नोट्स दे देंगे। ठीक
तो
है?
सर मेल कर देता सर।
और मेल में नहीं होता, वो ग्रुप मेल तो है नहीं मेरे पास। तो ग्रुप मेल बनाना
अच्छा
पड़ेगा। थोड़ा रुको, अगर LMS ठीक हो जाएगा तो दैट इज़ द बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म टू गिव ऑल दिस नोट्स एंड ऑल दोस थिंग।
ओके ठीक है सर।
ओके, so we shall start our class. Is my screen is visible to all? Is my screen is visible to all?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so today we are going to learn the triple scalar product of vector. Here we are taking the three vectors A, B,
हेलो
C. Yes.
हेलो सर।
हाँ बोलो।
सर प्रीवियस क्लास में जो एबीसी का वैल्यू फाइंड करने वाला बताए थे डायरेक्शनल डेरिवेटिव पे,
हाँ
वो
हाँ,
नहीं हुआ था सर।
वो नहीं होता।
नहीं हुआ था सर।
अच्छा, वो नोट्स में हम बना दिया, तो नोट्स हम भेज देंगे। ठीक है, वो एक ही चीज़ बाकी था, उसको छोड़ो। So today we start the triple scalar product of vectors. Here we are taking the three vectors ABC, where A dot B cross C is called the triple product of three vectors, and it is denoted by box ABC or box A comma B comma C. Generally it is denoted by this box of ABC, and it is follow the determinant property, as the box ABC means the row wise A1 A2 A3 B1 B2 B3 C1 C2 C3, where A equal to A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap, B equal to B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap, and C equal to C1 I cap plus C2 j cap plus C3 k cap. Now here one problem is given, find the value of box ABC or triple product of A dot B, E dot B cross C, na? It is the commodity. We know that the dot product is commodity. A dot B equal to B dot A. So you can write that B cross C dot A. That is also box ABC. Here A, B, C are given. A equal to 1 minus 3, 4. B equal to 1, 2 minus 1, and C vector equal to 3 minus 1, 2. So we have to find the box of ABC. So we are going to find it. So box A, B, C, that will be the determinant of A means 1 minus 3, 4. B means 1, 2 minus 1, and C means 3 minus 1, 2. So if we find out the value of this determinant, then we got the value of A dot B cross C. Is it clear? So value will be coming at minus 7. The value will be coming after find out the determinant. The value will be coming as minus 7. समझ में आया सभी को? So now we are going for some other problems. prove that the vectors phi y cap plus 6j cap so not this one not a good problem, so we are just a minute, wait just a minute. Here we are taking one problem, that is prove that box of A plus B, box of A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, this is equal to 2 into box of ABC. I have to prove that. So from left hand side we are starting it. Left hand side is given as box of A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. That can be written as box of A, B, C plus box of B, C, A. Right, as it is follows the determinant property. For the determinant, if it is given that A plus B, B plus C plus C plus A, then it can be written that determinant of ABC plus determinant of BCA. So here we are writing this. In case of the determinant, if we change the row and interchange the one row and column, then one minus should be coming. Here also it will be follows. So first part is very much okay. That is box of ABC, it is remain unchanged. Box ABC plus. Now we are just want to interchange A and C. So we interchanging one column. So it will be coming one minus. It can be written minus B, A, C. Now again first part is very much okay, A, B, C. Now again we are want to interchange this B and A, then another minus will be coming, so this minus will be plus. So plus A, B, C is equal to 2 into box of A, B, C. Is it clear? It is just follow the box property. Sorry, the property of the determinant. Box product follow the properties of the determinant. In case of determinant, we know that is the row and column one interchange, then one minus will be coming. So here also that is taken as. Now we are going to share some vector triple product. It was the vector scalar triple scalar product. Now we are going to show the vector triple product. Vector triple product. For the three vectors A, B, C, the A cross B cross C, A cross B cross C. This is called the triple vector product, and it is denoted as A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. This B is only a multiplication, no dot. This C also that. So how to remember this vector triple product? First and remote. Dot product of this first and remote. Then into B minus first and second, then third one. This is called the vector triple product. And as we know that the cross product is not the commutative, so it is also not commutative, because C whole thing cross A is not equal to A cross B cross C, as cross product is not commutative. So A cross B cross C cannot be written as B cross C cross A. As we know that the cross product is not commutative. A cross B, if we take two vector A cross B equal to minus of B cross A. So its cross product is not the commutative, so A cross B cross C cannot equal to B cross C cross A. Right, this is the cross product value. Now we are taking one problem. We go to the next page.
सर प्रीवियस पेज जरा दिखाइए ना।
Previous page. ये वाला
यस सर,
बताओ।
रुकिएगा सर। यस सर, नॉट क्लियर।
Okay, so we are going to take one problem that prove that A cross B cross C, A cross B cross C plus B cross C cross A plus C cross A cross B is equal to 0 vector. We have to prove this. Right? Now we are starting from left hand side. A cross B cross C. What does it mean? A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. This is the number 1. Next is B cross C cross A. Then it will be B dot A into C minus B dot C into A. This is number 2. Now third one is C cross A cross B. Then it will be given that C dot B into A minus C dot B, sorry, C dot A, C dot A into B. This is number 3. Now adding 1, 2, 3, we get. So left hand side will be A cross B cross C plus B cross C cross A plus C cross A cross B, that is equal to left hand side this A dot C, A dot C B minus A dot B C plus B dot A C minus B dot C A plus C dot B A minus C dot A B. Now we are giving that A dot C into B, now minus A dot B into C. These two parts remain unchanged. Now B dot A can be written A dot B, so we can write down, as we know that the dot product is commutative, so instead of A dot B we can write down B dot A minus, that is B dot C A plus this C dot B can be written as B dot C into A minus this C dot A, it can be written A dot C into B, right? So now A dot C B, first and last, that will be cut, this one and this one will be cut, and this one and this one will be cut, so it will be given the 0 vector. Here we can write down as A dot B equal to B dot A. आया समझ में? That's the value of A dot B. हाँ बोलो. हो गया, समझ में आया? Now we are going to find out the differentiation of a vector function. ये समझ में आया? हेलो?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes
आ
sir.
गया.
Okay.
Yes, sir. समझ गया sir.
Then we are going for next one. General rule for differentiation. Let AT, BT and CT, and CT are vector functions. They are the vector functions of the scalar t, and phi be a scalar function and phi be a scalar function of t. Then number 1, ddt of a plus minus b, that is equal to dA dt plus minus dB dt. Number 2, ddt of a dot b is equal to a dot dB dt, plus dA dt dot b, right? It is the derivative of dot function. ddt of a dot b means a dot dB dt plus dA dt dot b. So this is the product rule. First function unchanged into derivative of second function plus second function unchanged into derivative of first function. You can write down that b dot a, as the dot product is the commutative, so you can write down that b dot dA dt. So it is follows the general rule of our product rule of derivative. Now we are going to share the cross product. ddt of a cross b. ddt of a cross b is equal to a cross dB dt, a cross dB dt plus dA dt cross b. Right? So it is same as the dot product, but in case of dot product, for the second part it can be written that b dot this, but here you cannot write that. Then you have to take the minus. You can write that a cross dB dt minus b cross dA dt. So this is the rule of the cross product. Now we are going for the phi. Number 4, ddt of phi a. ddt of phi into a. Phi is a scalar function, a is a vector. Then phi dA dt, plus d phi dt a. Now we are going to share number 5, ddt of box of ABC. That is equal to box dA dt B C plus A dvdt C plus A B dcdt. So this is the rule for box function. So scalar triple product. Now we are going to find out the derivative of vector triple product, that is dgt of A cross B cross C. A cross B cross C. Then it will be given dA dt dA dt cross B cross C cross B cross C plus A cross dvdt cross C plus A cross B cross dcdt. So these are the general rule of our vector differentiation, where A, B, C all are the vector function of scalar t and phi is a vector scalar function of t. dA dt plus minus AB, that is dA dt plus minus dA dt plus minus dB dt. Now dot product, derivative of dot product A dot dB dt plus dA dt dot B. Cross product is A cross dB dt plus dA dt cross B, and phi of A is equal to phi dA dt plus d phi dta. Now box means, so we are taking the three boxes, taking the separately differentiation for A, B, C. For first box, differentiation of A, B, C remain unchanged, plus second box B is differentiating and A and C unchanged, and for the third box C is differentiated with respect to C with respect to T, and A, B are unchanged.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
हाँ
तो वॉइस बहुत स्लो है सर, बहुत लो है.
Okay, so here we are getting that dgt of A cross B cross C is equal to dA dt cross B cross C plus A cross dB dt cross C plus A cross B cross dc dt. So these are the rule of differentiation of our vector, where A, B, C are the vector function of scalar t and phi is a scalar function of t. Right, these are the formula, we have to remember this, and we have to use this formula to solve any kind of the problem.
Sir, here division rule is not applied, sir.
No, there, in case of vector there is no division rule. ठीक है, वेक्टर में कोई डिवीजन रूल नहीं है. कोई वेक्टर को तुम वेक्टर से डिवाइड कर सकते हो? देखे हो ऐसा कभी?
नहीं सर.
हाँ, तो वेक्टर cannot divide another vector, it can be multiplied. Now we are taking some problem of this. Evaluate r dot r double dot r triple dot, where r vector is given as A cos u r vector is given that A cos u I cap plus A sin u j cap plus B u k. This is the given R. Dot means the first order derivative, double dot means the second order derivative, and triple dot means the third order derivative. So we have R dot equal to, what is the value of R dot? R dot equal to क्या होगा? A and I. For the first one, A and I are the constant cos u with respect to R. If we take that, minus sin u.
minus a sin u, sir.
माइनस ए और आई तो कांस्टेंट है, सो माइनस ए
Sin
साइन यू आई कैप, राइट, प्लस फॉर दिस वन इट इज ए कॉस यू जे कैप प्लस ए cos u j cap, and for last one b k cap, na? Actually
B
r
k
dot
cap.
means ddu of r vector, actually, right? R dot means with respect to u we are dividing here. R dot means ddu of r. Then r double dot, R double dot is equal to minus a
minus a sin u I cap.
cos u.
minus of course, sir.
Oh, yes, a cos u I cap
Minus
plus
a
minus a sin j cap. A
plus
sin u j cap.
plus 0. There is no u is there, so it will be 0, na?
0, yes, sir.
And r triple dot, that will be a sin u I cap minus a cos u j cap plus 0. Now box of r dot, r double dot, r triple dot, that is equal to, we are taking the coefficient, that is minus a sin u, minus a sin u, then a cos u, and from here b, then it is minus a cos u, then minus a sin u, here it is 0, then it is a sin u minus a cos u into 0. Now for first one, that is minus a sin u into, this is cut 0 minus 0, na, plus a cos u, so this and this cut, then it will be coming this and this cut, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, plus b into this, that is a square cos square u, a square cos square u, minus minus plus a square sin square u. So if we take common a square from there, that is a square b. Okay? If we take common a square, then sin square u plus cos square u 1, so a square into b. This is the result. आया समझ में?
Yes, sir.
सर वहाँ प्लस ए cos x होगा या माइनस ए cos x होगा?
Actually, I have taken in the VAB method, that is the cross multiplication method, so I have taken plus. If you take the minus, then it should be changed. Actually, I have taken this method, right?
ओके सर.
This method, cross multiplication method, so I am taking all those things is plus. and if you take the determinant property, then you have to take the plus minus alternative. Value will be coming the same.
हेलो सर।
हाँ बोलो।
सर सर इसका वो नोट्स कहाँ मिलेगा सर?
नोट्स हम दे देंगे, बट थोड़ा रुक जाओ, एलएमएस को ठीक होने दो, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
एलएमएस में कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, इसको ठीक होने दो, हम दे देंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
ठीक सर।
सर व्हाट्सएप पे दे दीजिए ना।
सर व्हाट्सएप में नहीं हो सकता है, उतना ज़्यादा व्हाट्सएप में नहीं जाता है। अच्छा, पिछले दिन जो पार्ट नहीं हुआ था वैल्यू ऑफ एबीसी, अभी करा देते हैं, लेकिन टाइम ओनली 3 मिनट्स बाकी है, उसमें नहीं हो पाएगा। सो इन केस ऑफ आवर वेक्टर, द वेक्टर अलजेब्रा इज कंप्लीटेड एज वेल एज आवर कार्ल डाइवर्जेंस ग्रेडियंट इज कंप्लीटेड. ओनली द पार्ट which is not covered, that is the 3 theorems are given na, Stokes, Green's and Gauss. This 3 theorem is not completed. अच्छा, have you any idea about the double and triple integral? डबल इंटीग्रेशन, ट्रिपल इंटीग्रेशन, ये पार्ट हुआ था तुम लोगों का?
नहीं हुआ सर।
इट इज इन दिस सेमेस्टर सिलेबस ना? इस सेमेस्टर का सिलेबस में है ना? फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में तो नहीं था। तो एक काम करते हैं, पहले हम लोग फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में नहीं था, सो इट इज इन द पार्ट ऑफ द सेकेंड सेमेस्टर सिलेबस. सो एट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू मेक दैट डबल इंटीग्रल एंड ट्रिपल इंटीग्रल. पहले हम लोग डबल इंटीग्रल एंड ट्रिपल इंटीग्रल को कर लेंगे. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट इज नीडेड टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ग्रीन्स थियरम, गॉस थियरम एंड स्टोक थियरम. So without knowing how to solve the double integral, triple integral, it is not possible to go to the Green's theorem, Gauss and Stokes theorem. So at first we have to learn the how to make the double integral and triple integral. After that we will go for this part. तो वेक्टर के लिए ये पार्ट बाकी रहेगा, ठीक है? ये पार्ट बाद में कराएंगे, पहले डबल इंटीग्रल, ट्रिपल इंटीग्रल करा लेने के बाद वो पार्ट कराएंगे. इज इट क्लियर? तो ये चीज़ हमको याद दिलाना जी सर, ये पार्ट बाकी है, ठीक है? सो फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट डे विल स्टार्ट द कॉम्प्लेक्स वेरिएबल. देयर आर 2 मॉड्यूल्स फॉर द कॉम्प्लेक्स वेरिएबल ना?
Yes, sir.
Module 4 and 5. So next day we'll start the complex variable. So do you have some idea about the complex number? There is a plus ib form where ab belongs to r, I means root over minus 1. This is the complex. So next day we can overview some complex variable part. So we are starting the complex variable, that is module 4 will be started from the next day. ठीक है? After that we will go for the double integral, triple integral, lastly Gauss theorem. And one part is already remaining for the first part, na? And for this semester you know that all those total 5 module is given, na? All those module will be covered by me. Not that some part will be taken by DM sir. DM sir only taken the class for CSE people. Someone is want to say something? Just a minute. Attendance छोड़ो, as LMS is not working, so I cannot take any kind of the attendance. Right now I can take only your screenshot. So you can only take the screenshot, that will be taken as the attendance. And I know that in my class some students maybe, and I have one thing, some